Remember, all I'm offering is the truth, nothing more.
Hello guys, welcome to Mr. Legend Crypto. Guys, in this video, we'll be taking a look at an altcoin, Kaspa. Kaspa is up 21% over the last 24 hours. The last 1 week has seen this altcoin shoot up by 62%. The last 1 month has seen it shoot up by 80%. And on the yearly time frame, it's up a whopping 2,100%. So are we going to see it continue pumping to the moon? Will Kaspa continue shooting to new all-time highs every day? The market cap of around $1.8 billion. Kaspa currently trades around the $0.073 level. Are we just going to continue shooting to the moon forever with no pullbacks? We're going to take a look at the Kaspa US dollar price chart on a daily time frame. We'll be looking at possible levels where we'll probably get a pullback in the coming days and the coming weeks. We'll also look at Kaspa's performance against Bitcoin, and then we'll look at Kaspa's market cap. How high do we expect it to go in the coming days and coming weeks? Grid has returned back to the cryptocurrency market. We're yet to see Altseason in 2023. Will Kaspa continue pumping to higher prices if we see Altseason? We'll be talking about that and more in this video. But first, guys, an investment in knowledge pays the best interest. So when it comes to investing, nothing will pay off more than educating yourself. Do the necessary research and analysis before making any investment decision. Let's get down to business.
I can only show you the door. You have to walk through it.
Good times have returned back to the altcoin market. The altcoin market is bubbling. We're seeing nice times in the altcoin market as altcoins are having a great time. But how high can Kaspa go in the coming days and the coming weeks? How high can Kaspa go if we get to see that long-awaited Altseason? Kaspa has been trending for a very long time, trending to the moon, setting new all-time highs through the difficult bear market. We have seen Kaspa pumping to higher prices. Let's take a look at some key details about Kaspa. Right now, the market cap sits around $1.8 billion. 24-hour trading volume has gone up by 144%, around $90 million. Kaspa has a total supply of 21 billion tokens. Maximum supply sitting at 28 billion tokens. Kaspa's fully diluted market cap sits at $2.3 billion. Kaspa's all-time high just happened on the 9th of November 2023. So trading for as high as $0.085. Kaspa has been having a very, very great time. So are we going to continue pumping to new all-time highs? While a lot of market participants buying Kaspa as continuous pumping, as the altcoin market is seeing a huge pump. Kaspa is a proof-of-work cryptocurrency which implements the GHOSTDAG protocol. Unlike traditional blockchains, GHOSTDAG does not often blocks created in parallel, rather allows them to coexist and order them in consensus. The Kaspa blockchain is actually a blockDAG. The generalization of Nakamoto consensus allows for secure operations while maintaining very high block rates. Where can you get some Kaspa if you want to get some? You can get some Kaspa on KuCoin, on Get.io, on Bybit, on Polynex, on BitGet, and anywhere you get your popular altcoins. Remember, guys, you're here to make some money, so you want to buy low and you want to sell high. Let's look at the Kaspa US dollar price chart on a 3-day time frame. We've seen Kaspa having a very great time since when it was launched. This altcoin was launched way back in 2022, and ever since then, it has been shooting to the moon. Ever since then, Kaspa has been going up only. We've seen it rally up by more than 43,000% in around 488 days. I was not a believer in this coin. I didn't believe it would pump this high. I always believed we might see it dumping to gobbling down at some point in time in the bear market, but it continued chunking up to higher prices. And in 488 days, we have seen Kaspa go up by more than 438x, which means $1,000 invested in this altcoin way back in June of 2022 would have returned over $400,000 if you have been holding through the chaos. But guys, I have to tell you guys that the altcoin market is very, very volatile. Yes, we can see huge pumps like this. Yes, we can see Kaspa going up by 400x in barely just 18 months. But remember, anything that goes up very, very quickly always has a very high chance of coming down to gobbling town very, very quickly. And if you're not one of the lucky people that got Kaspa in July of 2022, and let's assume you got Kaspa maybe at the bottom here when it was dumping to gobbling town in October of 2022, you're still up around 4,900%. That's a 49x return. Even if you bought Kaspa in May of 2023, you're still up around 482%. That's a 4.82 X return on your investment. But guys, if you're buying right now, you're probably providing exit liquidity for somebody at a very high price. It sounds like I'm hating because I know buy Kaspa at the bottom, but remember guys, I'm respecting the pump. I'm just giving you good advice. You want to buy at the top, You want to sell at the top, you want to buy at the bottom. Right now, Kaspa is up more than 400x from the bottom. If you're buying, I expect you want to sell to somebody at a higher price. But remember, the people that buy way below you are selling for some sweet profit. So let's take a look at Kaspa's performance against Bitcoin, the king of the market. Kaspa set new all-time highs against Bitcoin. It has set new all-time highs against the US dollar. How high do you expect to see it going in the coming days and coming weeks? We expect it to continue pumping. As far as the market is bullish, guys, you don't underestimate these altcoin pumps. As far as the market is bullish, we can easily continue pumping aggressively to higher prices. Using a Fibonacci retracement tool, you can see, we can have an idea where Kaspa might get to in the coming days and coming weeks. Worst case scenario, we're going to stop at the $0.091 level. Best case scenario, we'll see Kaspa get to as high as $0.13. But guys, let's take a look at how many percent you get even we see Kaspa get to that $0.13 level. You will only just get around 100% from where you are getting in right now. I'm not saying 100% pump is not nice. I'm not saying you should run away from getting 100% pump. I'm just saying, remember, there's a lot of coins in the market. We're seeing huge pumps in the market. Kaspa is already up over 432x. If it goes up 100% again, Kaspa will be up 864x from the bottom. Is that where you want to be buying, or is that where you want to be selling? Right now, we're seeing people flip their Bitcoin back into Kaspa. And if you bought some Kaspa with your Bitcoin way back in 2022, guys, those Bitcoins would have been worth 65 times what they were worth in 2022. That's how outrageous things can happen in the altcoin market. That's how quickly altcoins can multiply your Bitcoin, and that's why you want to buy altcoins when they're down in gobbling town. You want to sell them when they're pumping to the moon. Kaspa's market cap has been pumping to new all-time highs, rallying above that $1 billion level. Right now, Kaspa's market cap has broken above $1.5 billion, even getting to as high as $1.8 billion. My best case scenario for how high we'll see Kaspa's market cap go in the coming days and coming weeks, I believe we'll see it continue chunking up to higher prices, but I don't think we're pumping to the moon forever. I believe when we get to that $2.4 billion level, we might see a pullback. We're not yet in Altseason. Altseason is around the corner. Altseason is when we see altcoins going parabolic. Right now, some altcoins are already showing signs of going parabolic. They're already outperforming Bitcoin. Kaspa is already outperforming Bitcoin over the last 90 days. If we see more altcoins joining Kaspa and other altcoins that are early leaders, guys, let's not be shocked to see extreme greed in the cryptocurrency market. And history has shown us that anytime there's extreme greed in the cryptocurrency market, that's some time to take some profits off the table. We're pumping on the daily time frame, we're pumping on the weekly time frame, on a monthly time frame, and on the yearly time frame. Are you still buying some Kaspa expecting higher prices? How high do you see Kaspa go in the coming days and coming weeks? Drop your thoughts about that in the comment section. Do you see Kaspa rallying above the $0.13 level, continue pumping to new all-time highs, going parabolic? Where do you think the madness will stop? I want to hear your thoughts about that in the comment section. Thank you for watching this video, guys. If you're new to this channel, don't forget to subscribe to this channel for more awesome videos like this. Turn on the post notifications to get notified anytime I drop a new video and anytime I go live. Remember, guys, when it comes to investing, nothing will pay off more than educating yourself. An investment in knowledge pays the best interest. So invest for the long haul. Don't get too scared. Don't get too greedy. See you guys in my next video.
Remember, all I'm offering is the truth, nothing more.